In this video, I'm going to show you actually how to make money with free bots. You can make $20 again and again, and this money you can use it to reinvest in your online business, or you can use it to buy anything you want. But first thing first, I'm going to make this clear that you're not going to be rich with this money you're going to make, but you can make a significant amount of money that you can use to reinvest in your business. Before we dive into today's video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Turn on notification bell button so next time when I create new videos like this with fresh strategies, you'll be the first one to get notified. So with that being said, let's move on into today's video. So there's this bot that I newly found online, and it's really cool, and it generates articles. So what do you understand with article? To me, articles means money. If you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to also show you how you can turn articles to money that you're going to be generate for free on this article generator. So this is already article generator, and it's a reliable bot because this bot is going to be working for you. It's going to be generating articles for you. It doesn't matter what type of niche you are, if you're in health niche or fitness or fishing or business or any type of niche, you can use this article generator to generate articles for you. You can use to generate articles for your blog. I'm also going to show you places that you can sell these articles for money. So as you can see here, this is already article generator, and here you can put the keyword. The keyword can mean also the niche you are into. Okay, so you want to make sure you put the niche you are into. If you're into fishing, you just want to write in the keyword section fishing. All right, so after that you leave the search mode to be public, and you can leave it in English. And apart from English, there are also different type of languages here, which I found this very cool because it means you can generate articles in different languages, which means you can sell articles also in different languages. This is very good opportunity, guys. They have over 10 languages here that you can generate these articles with. When you go down, you can choose either if you want the article to be a written article content, or you want to make it unique. So this is very cool, guys. This is a very effective bot that you can use to earn money for yourself in this method I'm going to be showing you. But you have to watch this video to the end so you can understand how we're going to be using this method and using this article generator to make money for us very fast. So now, for example, let's assume I want to make articles on fitness, so I can just write, or weight loss, I can just write weight loss. So then I can go down, I want to make it in English language, the article, so I can just go down, leave it like that, and this article is going to be written through it. So now I just have to click on generate article. I'm going to leave it to write. Now I have these articles rewriting, so now I can just go ahead and download it straight up to my computer. So it's so easy as that, guys. These are all the articles. As you can see, we have even the third articles here. So we have this article written in 3 types, in true form. So you can choose any articles you want from these 3 articles and use it. In the next, I'm going to be showing you how to use it to generate money for yourself. So if you get the article, if you're okay with the article, what you just need to do is to download this article into your computer, to your device. So now we can go to the next step, and the next step is that we want to turn this article to money. I'm going to show you an effective way, an effortless way to make money by doing this. So now we want to go to the first platform, which is people per hour. We are not going to be selling anything on people per hour platform because it takes obviously more hard work to start making money by selling these articles on people per hour, because you have to be trusted. You have to have this 5 stars or 4 stars, or if starting from 3 stars before you can start getting sales. But there is this effective way that I'm going to be showing you to make money with these articles that we have. So now what we want to do is that we just want to go and write articles on the search bars. When you click on search, it's going to take us to this place here, guys. This is the marketplace, and you can see there are so many people selling articles for blog or for websites. This guy is selling articles for 15 euros. You can see it's in Europe because I live in Europe. This guy already sold to over 3,000 people. As you can see, this person has already 2,741 reviews, which means this person has sold more than 3,000 times. This other guy has already 1,069 reviews, which means this person has sold over 1,000 times on peopleperhour.com. There are so many people here that are doing this and making a good amount of money with this. As you can see, there is also this person here selling for 30 euros and has over 2,795 reviews. This person has already gained the trust on this platform, so I'm very sure this person is longer on this platform. I mean, being there for years on this platform, because you don't gain this trust in just only in a day, I mean in some few days. So you need to keep working hard to gain this trust, but which you're not going to pass through that. This method is just to show you how you can make money fast, and you can use this money to reinvest in your online business, or you can use this money to buy anything you want. There's also this person here that has over 5,000 reviews and sells for 25 euros. So what we want to do is that we want to come here and start contacting these people, and we can write them that we have articles to sell, so you can be part of their team, which is going to be good for them, because in this way they will sell even more articles than before. So for example, this person sells for 30 euros. You can come here and say you want to sell for 10 euros, I mean for beginning, so you make sales fast. So this is really important, because at the beginning you want to make a low price so you get this trust, and after that you can high your price. So this is what I want to show you, and how to get their contact is very easy. You can just go and click on their name, and you can click on contact, and you can start contacting these people. This is where you have to work, okay, because you need to be contacting these people individually and start negotiating with them. And when you are okay with the price, you can start generating articles for these people. And now there is this other website I want to show you, which is Fiverr. You can also come to Fiverr here and write on the search bar, write articles and blog posts. So you can come here and start finding a different freelancer that you can work with them, so to start to generate articles for them, no matter what type of niche they want. Okay, all you just need to do is to contact them individually and negotiate with them. This is so simple as that. As you can see, this guy here sells for 112 euros. You can contact these people and even sell for more than $20. You can say maybe you want to sell it for $30, and they're going to make even over 70% of their sales. Okay, so this is just the starting price. Okay, I'm very sure their price is even more than 112 euros. So you want to go and look for such people, such freelancer. You want to make sure you go to most freelancer website that you know and start contacting all the freelancer in this space. You want to negotiate with them and make them know that you can generate articles for them for their business, and this is going to escalate their business. This is very good for them too, because it's a win-win. They're going to make more sales, and you too, you're going to generate money for yourself. So this is what I want to show you today. I hope you do find value on this video. So if so, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also comment below. Let me know which country you come from, so I can make videos that will work very well in your country. And also, if you haven't, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell buttons. Next time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Keep safe.